Welcome to Keto Master. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on keto tips, news, videos and ideas. How much weight can I lose on the keto diet? Having a healthy diet that suits your body's needs while knowing the possible results of what you do can add up to the motivation in continuously doing it. Losing weight is your reward from your perseverance to make your efforts come to fruition. However, this will vary from one person to another. It is all about how fast your metabolism is. In this article, we're going to provide you with an overview of how much weight you can lose while you are on the now popular keto diet. What is the keto diet? The keto diet focuses more on a fat-based diet and lesser carbohydrate intake. This was popular in the 19th century and was tested by the medical professionals on their patients' medical conditions to monitor and check if it contributes to improving their well-being together with their medication. Lesser carbohydrate intake. It is well known that carbohydrate-concentrated diet is the culprit of gaining weight. Since it is only given in a low quantity, weight management, specifically weight loss, can be achieved. Once we intake carbohydrates, it will be first digested to turn into energy and will be broken down and absorbed by our system. Please take note that sugar comes from carbohydrates, and it is mostly the main reason why people gain weight. Sugars can have some series of bad effects in the body if taken in huge amounts. Meanwhile, keto focuses more on a high-protein diet. It is responsible for building and repairing muscles than accumulating fat in the body. There is a big chance that you won't gain weight due to fat. You will be well-toned, especially if you have regular trips to the gym, due to the fact that keto helps in repairing your muscles. However, you should always stick to lean meat. That said, the visible results of weight loss can be seen. It is because instead of fats being trapped and stuck in your system, the keto diet can control it due to the recommended food intake. High-fat intake is also focused on keto, and based on research, glucose will be produced from the protein and fats that you consume. How to achieve results? You must try and focus on a 30-day program to achieve noticeable results. Contrary to what people think, this is not just shedding pounds in an unhealthy way. The program and its menu must be followed strictly to meet your ideal weight loss. The amount of weight loss will vary from one individual to another. After all, each individual has a different pace of metabolism, and it also depends on how religiously one follows everything from the program. With keto, you are more likely to lose weight because the effect of the diet is reportedly about regenerating the cycle of your metabolism. Speaking of accelerated metabolism, this leads to a reported weight loss of more or less 10 pounds in a span of 30 days. Since water will be lesser in your system in the first few weeks due to the calories from your diet, which are much lower compared to what you consumed before starting. Additionally, self-discipline and focus are required to achieve visible results. Since it is a healthy diet, it can contribute to detoxifying effects, and you'll be glad to enjoy faster metabolism, which allows you to break down the three major nutrient sources: carbohydrates, protein, and fat. A faster metabolism is key to continuously shed unwanted pounds bit by bit without forcing your body. You have to set aside what you used to eat and concentrate on your goal. With a proper mindset, you can definitely see results. Conclusion. Don't be disappointed if you didn't shed a lot. What matters is that you know how effective this weight loss program could be and how healthy your body will become once you try it out. Before everything else, however, make sure to consult your doctor first and inquire him if you're fit to undergo a keto diet or not. This is because the keto diet is not designed for everyone. In particular, individuals who have eating disorders, people with thyroid disease, people who are suffering from diabetes, and those with multiple sclerosis, among others.